Sibavusele bahlonishwa endlini yabayesikhulu siphindze sibemukele. Ngicela ukukhumbuta ke bahlonishwane ukuthi kulaba portfolio committees lana ema bills la seyasetandleni tabo siyacela ukuthi bakhumbule ukuthi before baqale kuyidiscussa le bill induna kufanele ite le portfolio committee ite landlini i-present leyo bill kule portfolio committee nalabo mhlawumbe laba bene interest yokutoyilalela nayi preamble induna bese ke ngikhani ke kuyiwale kulamanye ema conferences outside parliament but nje kucalwa la parliament ithi ingamikiswa nje committee chairperson solungisa nenduna i-first meeting iba se-parliament uyayipresenta minister responsible and then after that sebachubeka ke bayisebenta kuletinye tindzawo iparlamente seyiyawubona nge-report siyakhumbutana nje bahlonishwa kuloko nalokuthi ke ayihambi phela bese ayisabuyi ingahambi lijuba likaNoah ema-standing orders asisho sikhathi ukuthi ufuna kusetshendelwe duwana sikhathi nasi aphindze asho futhi nase kwendlule leso sikhathi bekekile ukuthi kubuyiwe eParliament lokudocela le extension ayithathwa nje kuphela inyanga incumbi standing order 113 uyakhuluma ngesikhathi lokufuna ukuthi ingasihlali ibill ku portfolio committee funa isetshenzwe masinyane within 90 days iyabuya eParliament nangabe sekwecekile lapho akube nesizathu lesikhulu enako kube kucelwa la parliament le extension siyacela abahlonishwa kubakhumbuta leto lawo ma standing orders lawo bahlonishwa Mr Clerk.
Honourable members, the Eswatini House of Assembly order paper number 8 of 2026 on the order paper for Monday the 23rd of March 2026 the establishing of a report, the report of the Finance Committee on the Supplementary Appropriation Bill 2026, bill number 2 of 2026. The report is going to be tabled by the Honourable Mawik T. Khumalo.
Sibonge Mr Clerk umhlonishwa wakalobamba lomtsa.
Asibonge Consultant Nkulumo. Mr Speaker ngicela ukuthi ngithule umbiko we Finance Committee on the Supplementary Appropriation Bill, bill number 2 of 2026.
Asibonge umhlonishwa akachubeke umhlonishwa athule umbiko. Sibonge umhlonishwa Mr Clerk.
The next business on the order paper, all members, we have orders of the day, the government bills, the Opium and Habit Forming Drug Amendment Bill 2025, bill number 15 of 2025, first reading by the Honourable Minister for Health.
Sibonge Mr Clerk umhlonishwa induna ka health. When is the second reading, Honourable Minister?
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. With the leave of the House, forthwith.
Sibonge induna ehloniphekile bahlonishwa seyishukumisile induna ukuthi second reading ibe forthwith laba vumelana naloko abathi aye laba ngavumi bathi nay. The ayes have it and the ayes have it. Mr Clerk.
On page 2 of the order paper, honourable members, there is the Opium and Habit Forming Drug Amendment Bill 2025, bill number 15 of 2025, second reading by the Honourable Minister for Health.
Sibonge Mr Clerk bahlonishwa lena bill ke seyise committee le portfolio committee yaka health siyacela I portfolio committee isebente ibill njengoba bese ngikhulumile ke inake kuyicetha ngesikhathi ibill ibuye eParliament umsebenzi welive utochubeka bahlonishwa. So this bill is now in the portfolio committee of health. Mr Clerk. Ncesi Clerk. Bahlonishwa ngicela kubika kubahlonishwa ukuthi kunemsebenzi loku addendum bahlonishwa lengitsa ngicele endlini ukuthi ikukhanze kukuhle ukuthi iwusebente namuhla lona msebenzi bahlonishwa ngenxa ukuthi sikhathi se-budget njengoba sathi sonke ukuthi i-budget iyasetshenzwa kulenye indlu kumcoka ukuthi nale supplementary budget nayo isetshenzwe so that nayibuya ngale le budget bill ibuye kanye nalena ibill ye supplementary so siyacela ke bahlonishwa ngenxa yaloko kucela umhlonishwa DPM lokhona endlini sitawinvoka nje ama-standing orders lamabili sitawasuspenda ama-standing orders lamabili kuze sitokhona ukuthi sikhone kungena kulo msebenzi loku addendum bahlonishwa lama-standing orders ngilanga la sivumela ukuthi nangabe ibhili ingakachubeki ngalendlela le ichubeke ngayo ithebulishwe kumiwe emalanga iphindze kanjalo ne-report ngaleyo ndlela leyo asisita ke ukuthi sikhone kwewela sewelele kulokuthi sikhone kuyikhulumisa so may I humbly request bahlonishwa ngenxa yalokuthi we are pressed for time because of lo msebenzi we-budget lochubekako ukuthi indlu isibambise kuloko ngaleso sizathu ke sengiyacela umhlonishwa DPM kokuthi ashukumise ukuthi le ndlu ehloniphekile invoke standing order 263 to suspend standing order 121 leyo ngile process ye bill bese uphinze mhlawumbe sichubeke DPM sende loko mhlonishwa DPM.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, anganoma senda kahle bekungafanele ukuthi sicele kwento litafula.
Mhlonishwa kukahle chubeka mhlonishwa sitawungena sesithole imvume kulendlu.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, ngicela ku-invoke standing order 263 to suspend standing order 121. I beg to move, Mr. Speaker.
Sibonga mhlonishwa DPM bahlonishwa sowushukumisile umhlonishwa DPM ukuthi indlu ehloniphekile invoke standing order 263 to suspend standing order 121 kuze ukuthi sitochubeka nemsebenzi loku addendum labavumelana naloko abathi aye labangavumi bathi nay the ayes have it and the ayes have it. Mhlonishwa DPM ngiyacela futhi again uinvoke standing order 263 to suspend standing order 176-2 kuze ukuthi le ndlu ehloniphekile itokhona kuchubeka ne-report from the Finance Committee on supplementary budget.
Mr. Speaker, ngicela ku-invoke standing order 263 to suspend standing order 1762 sitokhona kuchubeka nemsebenzi osetafuleni. I beg to move, Mr. Speaker.
Sibonge mhlonishwa Liphinland Vunankulu bahlonishwa sowushukumisile umhlonishwa ukuthi invoke standing order 263 to suspend standing order 176-2 kuze ukuthi indlu itokhona kuchubeka ilalele i-report ye Finance Committee labavumelana naloko abathi aye labangavumi bathi nay the ayes have it and the ayes have it. Siyabonga bahlonishwa. Mr. Clerk.
There is an addendum, honorable members, as directed by the honorable Speaker. We have the Supplementary Appropriation Bill 2026, Bill number 2 of 2026, second reading continues by the Honourable Minister for Finance.
Asbonge, Mr. Clerk. Mhlonishwa mover. Mhlonishwa akalobamba lomthango.
I'd like to move that the House adopts the report of the Finance Committee on the supplementary appropriation bill 2026, bill number 2 of 2026. I beg to.
Sibonge mhlonishwa wakalobamba lomdzala, mhlonishwa Muva, mhlonishwa Sekhonda, mhlonishwa wasemafutheni.
Ngiyamsekela mhlonishwa Speaker.
Sibonge mhlonishwa Sekhonda, mhlonishwa Mathanjeni Sawu.
Ngiyabonga mcondzisi Tinkulumo. Ngisukuma nga standing order 66 mcondzisi. Ngifuna nje kuthola i-clarity because kule order paper mcondzisi Tinkulumo bekunalokwe kutablisha kwe report. Ngiyasika nje clarity ngibone ukuthi sekumuvishiwe. Are we not privy ukuthi sale sithola le report sesitawu debate nje mcondzisi Tinkulumo ngoba sesijampila asisayitablishanga le report. Sengiva move so vele umuva le motion ukuthi ayisale iadoptwa yet seside na le report because noma sesitawulalela nje ngifuna ukuthola le clarity ngoba angifuni ukuthi bathi li hash selivele lento enjalo la endlini mcondzisi sengithi nje angithole nje le clarity ukuthi noma sengitawulalela muva ukuthi ngoba le report ayikho kanti kule initial order paper bekuthiwe itawutablishwa mcondzisi nyalo sesiyamuvisha ukuthi sesiya adopta ngicela nje that clarity ngiyabonga mcondzisi.
Asibonge mhlonishwa, cha bahlonishwa asikhumbule tincingo bahlonishwa tibe on silence sisasebenta tingasiphazamisa. Cha bahlonishwa umhlonishwa itablishiwe i-report sicale nge-order paper wayitablisha umhlonishwa and then lama standing orders lebe siwa invoca sisuspenda besendela lokuthi sitokhona kuyikhulumisa namuhla. Ngilele ngicale nga-aphila kubahlonishwa kuko ngiyathemba bahlonishwa bakuvile lokho ngoba bese bayavuma ukuthi cha ayikhulunyiswe namuhla le report nekuthi ke ngibakhumbule nje bahlonishwa ukuthi cha babobuka kuma gadgets abo ikhona le report now ungena nje ufunza la kuma reports enu udayithola bahlonishwa kepha ke ndawo yiva kahle ku chairperson nase ayichaza bahlonishwa ngithi nje angichaze ukuthi le request lengiyende ekucaleni bekunge exactly lokho mhlonishwa nase niyakubusisa ke nine njengendlu ukuthi cha ungachujekwa isetshenzwe le report because of le agents lengikhulume ngayo honorable mhlonishwa Muva, back to you to motivate your report.
Mcondzisi Tinkulumo so ukhulumile Mr Speaker umuntu uvela kathathe lithuba lekuphinza axolise endlini ehloniphekile kwekuthi simo bosoyichazile ke speaker kwento lama standing orders nje kona kube bokukusha konke lokhu speaker besingeke sivume ukuthi kwendeke lokugabisha but bahlonishwa nabantu akukhumbula kahle letindzaba leti setivele kaningi lapha la kulesihloniphekile House of Assembly ticale tavela ku report le ye contingency fund le Finance Committee ikhuluma ngetimali lesebentile it was for the information kwaphinze futhi kwavela nasikhuluma le maphakelo report yemaphakelo sivela lapho khona sichaza khona netimali letinye Mr Speaker leticondzene nekulungiselwa kuvulwa kweParliament leyo khanza ukuthi timali lebese tingena ngaleyo ndlela vele tivamise kungena ngaleyo ndlela ngoba letimali temalungiselelo kuvula iParliament iParliament ingakavulwa ukuthi ke ngeta lapha le mali kumbito okukhulunyisa so tangena ke ngalokuthi sesikhulunywe neFinance Committee kuthi ke setawubiwa endlini manje ke Mr Speaker timali lesetisebentile noma ngabe tisebente njani indlela yokutibika endlini kuthi kwendeke lokho lokwendeka le supplementary Mr Speaker kubahlonishwa ngiyabona sebatawukhumbula ukuthi akusasiyo into lekhulunywa ukuthi timali letiseta likhululato setimali lesetisebentile Mr Speaker letinye futhi ngilesetikommithiwe kuthi vele sesitemjonweni setibhekele lapho tibheke khona kuleti nje Mr Speaker leti kubahlonishwa sisuke sesenda sicomply nemthetho ukuthi umthetho kufanele kube recorded in law kokuthi leti imali leti taphuma tasebenta nako. Otherwise tona amalunga lahloniphekile setibendile. Kepha ke bataphindze babone bahlonishwa ukuthi letinye tivele kokuqala kuna report lesisuka kuyo ngidawubekisa nje Mr Speaker. Kunemali enganga 60 million. Noma ngiqalele edulu nje Speaker. IParliament njengoba sengikhulumile ngayo Mr Speaker. Kwaba ne state funeral le muva le nakhona wakwenda hulumende wakuletha hulumende nakhona ku finance committee ngabo June sekuyimali lesebendile nakushone lobeka ngi prime minister ngisho into letivela la kule report Mr Speaker. But ngifuna ukuqhaza naku Mr Speaker. Kunenzaba Mr Speaker ye ICC. Lokhanza kusese drag esikhathi lesithe le ICC. Hulumende ke ufuna kuyivala leyo ndzaba. Kuthi salingasaqhubeki iyembili. Nawubuka kule report malunga lahloniphekile lathi ingcingweni ngethemba seyingene kuma emails. Kube nemacards onke lamatiko akhathelwa kutamaso lokugqwaliswa lapha noko ke lokho sokwendeka Mr Speaker njengoba ngisho nje ukuthi lena sesikhuluma tindzaba letendekile hayi letsatowendeka ngiphindze Mr Speaker ngiqhubeke ngingene endzabeni ngenda nje ma highlights Mr Speaker ngingene endzabeni Mr Speaker njengana ye lehle khulunywa ngayo kakhulu yema deportees leyo mali Mr Speaker iParliament iFinance Committee ayiletha ireport kulendlu lehloniphekile kwekuthi le mali ayibuye ibiyele kuhulumende iphathwe ngendlela yetimali tonke letikhona kuhulumende. So lamuhla ke iphinze yavela le mali nabalesa la kule gazette. Ivela ingimalini Mr Speaker, ivela inglo 82 million. So kona sesikhulumisa ukuthi hawe le mali seyikhona yini seyibuyeleni kuhulumende le mali. Ngoba seyivela la emthethweni kugazette ukuthi siyobika kona endlini lehloniphekile ukuthi nang 82 million ukhona ngoba phela sathi ayibuyi cha isengakabuyi hawu ikuphi kani solo ile ku private account emnganami okay induna ke bona sayo ukuthi ke Mr Speaker 82 million le mali nakhathi convertwa at the time lo 5 beyenda 89 million but kokune lo kwanye variance ya 7 million lengekho kuthi ke kufanele sathi ke yasebenta yiphi yasebenta kona yasebenta njani ngoba sitawukhumbula ukuthi Mr Speaker induna lehloniphekile yaka economic planning among other things yathi laba bekunene baqale ukuthi le mali ningathinto so ke nase sikhuluma esilcommittee neminister nebase economic planning bakhona neteam yakhe induna yathatha le undertaking lamuhla yathi lamuhla ngiyobhala incwadi lengidawuthi kulaba bekunene abatransfer le mali nje with immediate effect bayisuse kulama private account lapho ikhona khona ibuye kwetma umnganami ku head 6 no ku consolidated fund ku mainstream emalini yahulumende lapho khona ngena khona tonke imali. That's number 1. Number 2 iyento esinesiqiniseko sekuthi le mali ayisebentanga ngoba phela nawukhumbula Speaker nasiyithula ireport iqala washo sitshwatshela CEO ukuthi le mali sale ingasasebenzi manje kuthatheka ukuthi kayikasebenziki kepha ke noko mconsothi inkulumo iqiniso lithi induna ke yendile le undertaking ukuthi itawubhala lamuhla incwadi Mr Speaker le kuyi undertaking likomiti leli supportile Mr Speaker ukuthi ibhalele lo NDMA. Fortunately umphathi wa NDMA ndangu DPM laceleni akudingi le ncwadi ukuthi besolo iyojika embabani ibhalwa khona la ahlonywe kuthi ke mconsothi inkulumo le mali transferred iye ku consolidated fund kwalamuhla as per the house resolution. Ngale kwaloko Mr Speaker bongakani ngale kwaloko Mr Speaker angete ngathakuta kakhulu ngoba njengoba ngisho ukuthi letindzaba letsethendlwe kakhulu landlini but umthetho ukufuna ukuthi siwulandzele Sikomplana nemthetho Mr Speaker kokuthi kungene kube semthethweni njengoba lenzaba lena itange gazette lekhishwe leoffice la Attorney General kutothi ke nase iphasa ke landlini lehloniphekile iphase seyingumthetho iformish a part of the statutes of this country Mr Speaker. That is the reason kula, otherwise now ngathi khona lokusha mcondzisi lokufana kuphaswe cha kude Mr Speaker. Ngiloko malunga lehloniphekile bengacela ukuthi siyisekelele report Mr Speaker sizochubeka siye ekhaya. Thank you very much.
Sibonge mhlonishwa lobamba lomtsala umhlonishwa Sekhonda.
Angibonge mhlonishwa speaker. Hawu sihlalo sami mhlonishwa speaker sivele nje sayishaya yonke. Nanami nje hawu usebenzile wamlunga. Cha sekungaba kusho ukuthi ngoba phela indlu tawufuna kulandzelela ukuthi lo 7 million sekuyi difference kulo 89 million na 82 million lo kule mali yachama ngale America itawuhlolakala kanjani iyabheka phi likomiti ke lithethe isinqumo ukuthi letawuhamba leyobuka lela kuthiwa yasebenza khona kuthi lo 7 million nguye yini lo noma nabe kunendlela ukuthi utholakala kanjani siyilandzelele imali ukuthi ingene ekhikini lendvodza noma ingene kubani le mali le mali lo 7 million ufuna alandzelele mhlonishwa speaker utawutholakala ukuthi usebente lokho futhi nangakwendi utawutholakala ukuthi ubheke phi sitawubuya nemphendvulo siyacela nje mhlonishwa speaker ukuthi indlu yonke ayisiphasise report ifinance committee isebenzela yona live nekuthenjwa ngiyo indlu ukuthi nisebenzele imali itayimela ngeliqiniso seyisebenzile. Siyabonga mhlonishwa speaker cela ukuthi manje basibambise mhlonishwa speaker.
Sibonge mhlonishwa Sekhonda Mafutseni bahlonishwa labafuna kuyilobola. Awubona ngekuma ngetinyawo. Useba ngahlala abahlonishwa sesibabonile siqale ngomhlonishwa kaLobamba.
Mhlonishwa speaker ngiyabonga. Ngicela kusho ku chairperson ukuthi Mr Speaker ngiyamsekela kule report yakhe. Ukuthi Mr Speaker sibaphasisele bahlonishwa. Ngimsekela nje because imali seyivele ibhekelela kathi ibheke khona. Ngicela ukuthi mana ngaboni lapha ngoba phela uthi tekithi kuyangena la ngiyabona ke bengifuna ukurecommenda nje ukuthi ngicela kube iresolution yalendlu nase siadopt lokho ukuthi si recommend chairperson ngokuthi nihambe niyofuna lo 87 million lenimshoko lo ngicongela chairperson ngicela ukuthi bahambe Mr Speaker bayobuka lokho ukuthi kwekucala nje ithitele imali nayisuka seyihamba yawungena ama private accounts kwendekeni. Ngicela lokho basinababuya babuye bane report ngiko ngithi ngicela sikufake ku recommendation lokho bahlonishwa bese nekokuthi ke sebatawubuya ke basitshele ke ukuthi cha 7 million seba ubuya nini but bengingacela Mr Speaker angathi indlu yakho Mr Speaker uthi uyawuhlala nini ngoba asithanzi lokuhlala tokwetipi ingabe bekungalunga Mr Speaker ukuthi sibanike emalanga noma bang 14 nje ngoba naloku kukhuluma nje mhlonishwa speaker uthi awuhambani bengingacela ukuthi manje siyende kube recommendation kube ne time frame bahlonishwa singakhulumi nje into sithi jike nje. Mr Speaker ngicela kubuya ku ICC ngiyafisa ukuthi kunini kunalive nali laseSwatini la khona siyakwe sesibe honest sisina sicala iproject sicale ngale mali lesivumelene ngayo bese siyicetha ngayo leni
Umhlonishwa Chairperson uyakhumbula ukuthi nakule budget yalomnyaka loya nasifika la kwakune ICC kuthiwa iyaphela kusasa. Hope Chairperson angeke uphinze ubuye nalento le. Nangabe kukwentekile Mr Speaker. Agcine ngci nje kubuya nalento lena la. Kulala kushoko. Agcine nje mfo ngethe sathi nasisebenta onke lamalanga siphele ukukhulisa imali sithi namhla sekuyashota ngakusiko Mr Speaker sikusho lokho. Nangabe sakho umgwaco ngu500 million asiwakho umgwaco ngu500 million ngesikhathi lesibeki nase kunenkinga kufuna kube netizathu leticacile kungaphele nje ukuthi khanze iproject seyidoubled akusiko Mr Speaker. Ngiyabuya Mr Speaker. Ngisola ukuthi kune poor planning kuleli office lakho Mr Speaker. Wawungathi uthi iParliament iyavula enweni. Into ochamuka namuhla bese nithi sifake ama supplement. Ngoba phela ngabe nayi budgetela lento le. Nase nichamuka nyalo mhlonishwa Speaker nelo office lakho nifike nithi thine no imali seniyisebenzisile. Sathi ngani kusinendeni. Usho ukuthi sozilisa luhlata wena. Because nyalo uthi already imali seyisebenzile. Ulandzele iphi procedure? Asathi. Sikutholile ukuthi kwanyana lokho. Bengibuka nje ngisebenzisa le perfume namuhla. Ngase le perfume lokho into yobe 5000. Angathi. Ngibona la ku supplement ukuthi akukafanele Chairperson. iParliament kude lo ngade ukuthi iyavulwa njalo nakucala umnyaka. So tawuchamuka utola si supplement sowujakile ujakene. Plana kahle Mr Speaker. Ngifuna kusho njalo nje Mr Speaker. Ukuthi asibe iexample. Singakhulumi sesikhomba abantu sithi no senisebenzisa imali wrong wena Mr Speaker wendani na wenda nje. Uthi indlu lehloniphekile uhloniphena kwentwana. Awuplan ngani on time ukuthi uyathi iParliament iyavulwa vele.
Mhlonishwa kalo baba cisha nona ehloniphekile yaka finance.
Just a point of correction, Honourable Speaker, just to explain that it's the Honourable Clerk that manages the budget for the Parliament, not the Honourable Speaker, just to be clear.
Asibonge nduna ehloniphekile mhlonishwa kalo bamba.
Angivale Mr Speaker ngithi yonke isiphi yawasha Mr Speaker. Mr Speaker siya understand kwe state funeral bokude beungakwenda. Ngiko ngithi bahlonishwa with that ngicela ukuthi sibaphasisele bahlonishwa but selikhuluma eliqiniso la kufanele sikhulume khona. Otherwise Mr Speaker ngiyabonga lithuba lokunike lona. Ngiyethemba Mr Speaker sowuvile. Kude lo personal Mr Speaker ngicela singabe sesiyagudlana kusikhabhala kusini kude nje lo personal plana kahle Mr Speaker.
Asibonge mhlonishwa wakalobamba mina ngithi utawungeda nje mhlonishwa ukuthi iParliament ingazithi icela 10 rand bahlonishwa kufuna ba make sure ukuthi iyamthola lo 10 rand always bangaze bangakwendi lokho kutabe sekuyocelwa ke kuma supplement kepha ke angiphendvulela isihlalo ngilokuthi nje usuke wayikhomba ngala sengithi nje ke angisite lapho ukuthi nani ngayibamba lapho nje bahlonishwa ingazithi le Parliament lenisebenza kuyo nini icela 100 million inikeni lo 100 million ngoba isuke seyifakeke konke nase niyayigamula le 100 million nawuhlangana nako ku supplement mhlonishwa wasehokweni.
Siyabonga kakhulu Mqondisi. Sibonge naku chairman nalomsekele kule report ye finance chair. Nanathi sibasehokweni sisukumela kona nje kulibambisa kusekela lokuthi cha libandla layo ifinance lena nabo basehokweni bakhona khona Speaker batibuka letindzaba batisebenta vele bethulothi khona la ndlini sekuthi nje mhlambe evini leliphelile ayibese isakhona kungena ku-agenda lendzaba yona indzaba leyatiwako nalomthetho nje wale supplementary bahlonishwa banawo bayadati leti mali lesiconfirma ko Speaker ukuthi kude kule supplementary imali lekhulile kuloko lebakwati bahlonishwa bebathulele kona ngiloko nje lebe sikuthulile silibandla le finance nekuba nathisa ke bahlonishwa kuloko nje la kushoko chairperson ukuthi na vice lokuthi nalo leli bandla le finance selifuna ukutibonela lokuthi le mali sebende kuphi. Kodwa ke ngisho speaker ukuthi kule report leyathulwa i-finance committee la nasithule emaphakelo ku recommendation number banla savele saqaqisa sathumela minister finance minister finance na auditor general asebahambe bohlola lo sikwendekani la sakusho lapha kule report yethu le adoptwa ngilena sine nje kwethu sekwenta sho ukuthi lesabathuma kona siyi-finance committee nendlu bayakwenda ngoba siyafuna kwathi lokuthi le mali lena lese siyasentshetiswa ingakangeni esilulwini sahulumende iyasebentani besifuna kuvala lokho nje ngoba yonke imali yahulumende yagadwa ilusiwe sisafuna konihlolela ke malunga lahloniphekile lokuthi iyasebenta kona yini njengoba nekungena kwayo niyokhumbula ukuthi ingene seyikhwetshwa ngilona leli bandla ka finance lelalithuma ukuthi ligazeletile ulutelive so nalapho silo silandzela kona speaker ukuthi cha kuyasebenteka so siyacela speaker lokuthi indlu ikhanze kufanele ukuthi le supplementary budget ipasse speaker siyabonga.
Sibonga Mhlonishwa kwini Mhlonishwa waseNkutheni.
NabaseNkutheni basukumela kusekela nje ukuthi bahlonishwa basibusisele le report iphase le supplementary budget. Mhlawumbe ngidakhulumisa kuthathu ke mina. Sakhanza ukuthi nakwentiwa le supplementary kunemali yakaLoku Commission 50 million lengiloko ingakabhadalwa. Kane siyamathi uSiLoku Commission usita kangakanani eMaswatini. Ngiyafisa nje lokugcizelela lapho honorable speaker lokuthi ithi phasa le report or le budget sibe sinayo le confirmation lokuthi iyaya le mali noma iyaya itawuya nje uma besibanikete 48 hours ukuthi bayibhadele within 48 hours. Iphindze ngikhulumise indzaba yaka ICC sabayikhulumisile abanye bahlonishwa. Ngifuna ukugcizelela nakiyo leyo ukuthi ingonyama yasho ukuthi kufuna si maximize ama profits angala ku ICC kuza ato supporter ato funda le hotel. Kubhalwe in black and white lokho. So siyacela nje ukuthi kube sekubabethe inkinga ku next budget. Sesibona sekufakwa le budget ibillion lapha seyifaka kuleli hotel angeke ize khona. Ito enda lokunye lesiqhubeka kusitakale sive kuya embili. Nekuthi ke ngiyafisa ukukhulumisa nendzaba yaka Home Affairs. Lokuthi siyacela kube nalabo tendering phela nase siphathisile sesibanikele le mali. Kuthendarishwe. Kungaphika nje kuniketwa loya kunetwe lo angeke lento lesingcolisako nje sonke le. Angathi singaze sikhulume kanjani lena noma kufanele siyophenya. Kodwa mhlambe bangeva nje sikhuluma la. Siyacela ukuthi ka Home Affairs kuthendarishwe. Leti kanda letiningi tonke ukuthi qhamuka khona le ka Home Affairs. Yegcina sengile yalama US deportees. Siyayathi le mali ukuthi nayifika now converter lo 5.1 US dollars kuba 89 million. Enyalo kuna 82 nyalo. Vele sitawuhamba siyochecka ukuthi wenteni lo 7 million. Usebenzele lo bekafanele ukuthi le mali isebente kona yini. Otherwise ngiyacela abahlonishwa siyisupport i-report iphase siyabonga.
Sibonga Mhlonishwa Ngutseni sigcina ngamhlonishwa waseSigwe.
Angibonge honorable speaker. Ngibonge lethuba nebaseSigwe. Honorable speaker sisukumele kusekela njengoba ebandleni lefinance besikhona makhulunyiswa le supplement budget. Kufishane speak umuntu ngabe sogitsa elugogweni. Kungaba nje ngilolo kusho ngumhlonishwa waseNkutheni. Kubonga kokucala Minister Finance ngendlela lachaza ngayo leti mali delive. Siyambonga wekunene ukuthi uchaza kubonakale ukuthi unayo lenhlitiyo yelive egarden lesilulu selive uma sichazela siyamdumisa lokho kodwa ke sisasho lokho simdumisa siyethemba ukuthi le mali yakalo commissioner njengoba sithembisile indlu ngathi mayibuya honorable speaker ibe seyihambile yefika kubo bakalo commissioner siyethemba wenene ngoba vele unayo lenhlitiyo lenhle yokunakelela emaswati ukuthi asitakale endabeni ke honorable speaker siyikhulumisile iCC mawubuka enkulumeni yembuwe yemhlaba page 15 lapha ekugcineni uyayo enkulumo yengwenyama yathi kude imali letawubuya iphume endlini lo page 15 paragraph yokugcina iyele kuloso kwendiwe lokusho ukuthi leyo mali sesibhekile honorable speaker ukuthi yawuthi mayibuya ibuke letinye tidingo kumbe letiyawufaka bogogo nemigwaqo nalokunye kwendeke ngoba sekusho umnyo welive ukuthi njoba siphakele kangaka lokhu akusobuye kuphakeleke kubhaliwe nginkonje nami ngakubeka kule report yami ukuthi ngiyawukhumbuza mase icelwa ukuthi wekunene wathi sekuyaba kanje ngalamagama langa honorable speaker siyethemba seyishilo ikomite ukuthi letinye tindzaba itaya kobuka sithi singabuya sibuye landlini mangabe kulukhona is-advise indlu ukuthi sisuka la sibheka kuphi siyethemba sawufica naleti mali lethethekile kude umkhuhlane lokhona tithathekile nje ukuthi cha betiyawusita lapha kufanele khona ngalamagama la honorable speaker kucela yona indlu isisekele kule report ngiyambona newasenkweni uvuma ngenhloko namhlathi cha ngiyayisekela le report le anayo wakamanzini umhlonishwa Owen ngoba bavamisa ukuthi njalo umhlonishwa Owen singahambisani kodwa namhla ngombona uvuma ngenhloko honorable speaker lokusho ukuthi itawuvele iphase ngoba awuna DPM imali ayikhona khona uyavuma ngiyabonga mhlonishwa speaker
Asibonge mhlonishwa sesigwe mhlonishwa lobamba lomtsala mover back to you.
Asibonge Mr Speaker sibonge ama interventions lendwe bahlonishwa bonke ngicale ngamhlonishwa Masilela ukuthi cha ukhuluma ukhongosela ku report Mr Speaker kule resolution lethi ayihlolwe lendzaba beba ngichaze lapho speaker ukuthi thina siyicommittee sesiyatifaka kodwa indlu kwanyalo beyavuma irecommendation yecommittee lethi njengoba besachazile umhlonishwa wase eHukwini ngokuthi umhlonishwa minister nemhlonishwa auditor general abayingenelele lendzaba babine report kepha ke sesibona ukuthi sisale sibathuthudla ngamatubane singene sonke sale sitawubuya nako sibuye nabo kanye yonke lendzaba back to the house besitawucela ke Mr Speaker ngoba amawelo ukuthi kuvamise ngalesikhathi lesemva kwaloko speaker bese sithatha break lo 30 days utasida because by the time inendlu kumbe naseyibuyile kahle sibe ireport sesihlele kahle ngoba lenye into ungathatha ukuthi kutaba impendulo yinye kanzi no utakwanza ukuthi umsebenzi semkhulu njengoba basho nje umhlonishwa Masilela ukuthi butana lokuthi na ifika lama funds aya kule account kwende kanjani so tonke lento leto akusinto ta overnight Mr Speaker pheze umhlonishwa ukhuluma ngenzaba opening of parliament ngicabanga ukuthi Mr Speaker kungafuna ukuthi lokho lihovisi likubone ngoba thina sibuka lo sokufakwe ba ngematiko la ezema requests ticelo lese tifakwe kuhulumende Mr Speaker so lokunye kweparlamente sokhuluma kwasekhaya nokukhuluma lapho kufanele khona ku Mr Speaker le ma perfumes Mr Speaker nayo leyo ingangawe ukuthi abe ngimalini itenga ingena la cha umhlonishwa Lushaba Mr Speaker uteka yona vele sasivele si resolve njengoba abekisile kepha nje ngicabanga ukuthi sesitawuhambisa nasonke nalabo bekunene ngoba auditor general unabuchwephesha lobukahle kubuka kahle letimali lapha so sokutaba kahle ibeef up lenhle mhlonishwa Sengudzeni Mr Speaker yes Mr Speaker sekude tinkinga letikhona nga 50 million. And one wants to believe ukuthi minister gave us assurance ukuthi kungakashaya imhla ka 31 leyo mali etabe seyikhona khona lenyalo basalungisa tindzaba tabo cash flow ngoba kube nema movements la khona. Kuhlonishwa ke vele upassionate ngendaba yase Home Affairs Mr Speaker ngeke simkhweshele kuloko uyibekile nje evakala. Sigwe naye ukhuluma ngendaba ye-TLC Mr Speaker lentsatsa ukuthi sengiyiphendulile Mr Speaker ngalawo magama ngidawucela abahlonishwa vele ukuthi basisekele wedlule lo mthetho Mr Speaker uphase lo wale supplementary. Thank you very much.
Asibonge mhlonishwa Muva bahlonishwa sekushukunyisiwe kulendlela ehloniphekile ukuthi lena report ye supplementary appropriation bill 2026 bill number 2 of 2026 isale iphasa kulendlela abavumelana naloko abathi aye labangavumi bathi nay. The ayes have it and the ayes have it. Honorable Minister, could you please move that the House constitute itself into a committee of the whole House to consider the bill?
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Honourable Speaker, I move that the House do constitute itself into a committee of the whole House to consider the bill.
Sibonge, Honorable Minister. Mhlonishwa kalobamba lomtha.
Ngicela ukuthi inkulumo ukuthi nje angasiphathi standing order. Kodwa ke ngiyakholelwa ukuthi standing order Mr Speaker sanangabe kukhona lunga leline objection ku item inye la kumbe the Learned Attorney General nangabasheshisa yena ngasilokwanyana ashesha afike kule standing order. Sithi nangabe likhona lunga leline objection to any of lema allocations, then speak out awutala. Kapa nangabe kude the objection from any member, then ye pasa kanjalo. But that pertains to supplementary, Mr. Speaker, supplementary budget. I stand to be corrected. Kodwa I think I'm correct. Kokuthi utalapa nangabe kukhona objection. One member nje asinga object uyabuya ke Speaker. Thank you very much.
Sibonge mhlonishwa wakalobamba lomtsala. Mhlonishwa H.
Sibonga mcondzisi wethu inkulumo ngicela ukuconfirma lokho mcondzisi. The consideration mcondzisi ukuthi lethi imali isuke vele sasebenzile at the time sekudala endlini. Kusuke nje tochazelwa into ukuthi sisebenze kanjani mcondzisi wethu inkulumo. So there's no need ukuthi siye committee of the whole house. Thank you.
Sibonge mhlonishwa H. Sengiyabuka kubahlonishwa ukuthi khona any objection. Asibonge bahlonishwa bese sithi khumbuta nje nge standing order standing order 200 bahlonishwa ya kukanjalo nakude lo objectako bahlonishwa kusho ukuthi siyachubeka. Honorable Minister, when is the third reading?
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. With your permission of the House, may it please be forthwith.
Sibonge bahlonishwa induna seyisho umsile ukuthi i-third reading ibe forthwith labavumelana naloko abathi aye. Labangavumi bathi nay. The ayes have it and the ayes have it. Mr. Clerk.
The Supplementary Appropriation Bill 2026, Bill number 2 of 2026, third reading by the Honourable Minister for Finance.
Can the minister move that the bill be passed by the House?
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Honourable Speaker, I move that the Supplementary Appropriation Bill 2026, Bill number 2 of 2026 be passed.
Sibonge Honourable Minister induna seyisho umsile bahlonishwa ukuthi lena bill isale iphasa kule ndlu labavumelana naloko abathi aye. Labangavumi bathi nay. The ayes have it and the ayes have it. Mr. Clerk.
An act to provide for the supplementary appropriation of certain sum of money for the financial year ending the 31st of March 2026.
Sibonge Mr. Clerk induna ehloniphekile emagama ekudibongela.
Thank you, Honourable Speaker. Honourable Speaker, first of all, again, just to appreciate yourself, Honourable Speaker, organising a sitting for today, all the work goes into that, specifically virtually for the supplementary, understanding the urgency. Ngibonga kakhulu, Honourable Speaker, for your support there. Honourable Speaker, again, my committee, the chairperson of the committee that always, I mean, they were meeting today ahead of time, rushing for a tabling. Really, they go over and above the call of duty. Really want to appreciate them and their support. If the Honourable House coming today specifically for this, understanding the criticalness of the budget, thank you very much to every member who's been here and who's supported and who understands, even though the supplementary is really, it's an awkward bill because it's things that sometimes there's stuff in here that is fixing issues. But to have the understanding we have in the House in fixing the issues, understanding it's not done out of malice, it's done out of trying to keep the wheels moving in the country, really to appreciate the understanding. Honourable Speaker, often I thank people that I can see, and I often forget about the AG sitting behind me here, the amount of work that he does on any bill that we do, and his accommodative ways and his ways also of understanding sometimes urgencies, really to appreciate the AG. And also my team, the team at the Ministry of Finance, they really do work, a huge amount of work behind the scenes, a day like today, many different sittings, many different processes, but they are there for everything and their work is diligently done to appreciate my team at the Ministry of Finance. And my colleagues, DPM and the PM, also for their full support in what we do. Thank you so much, Honourable Speaker.
Sibonge mhlonishwa nduna lehloniphekile temafa siyabonga kakhulu mhlonishwa siyabonga kuwe umsebenzi lomuhle lowendako for the country etiko laka finance, so we really appreciate I dedication lesiye siyibone always kanjalo ne executive siyabonga kubambisana nekusekelana emsebentini ikakhulukati induna nayikhuluma ndzaba tetimali ngoba sisuke sifuna ukuthi live lingeme likhona ekusebenza, so we always appreciate kubambisana kulolo hlangothi. Sibonga kakhulu le office lengcwele temthetho as always kuguida kuseluleka ngala nangale njengoba sathi ukuthi constitution imvumela ukuthi asebenze kanjalo vele for the country, and we really appreciate Attorney General le committee le finance chairperson ne committee lenisebenza nalo siyabonga. Ema bills e finance kuvama kuba ngema bills la gijimako kanzi adzinga ukuthi apply lokhu sezingeni lelisetulu, and siyabonga kunibona nitimisela ngaso sonke isikhathi nakusetshenziswa indzaba tetimali telive. Sibonga ne support kubahlonishwa nasekufikwa eParliament ezekufanelwe ukuthi whatever lokuchamuka ne finance kubusiswe ngilendlu bahlonishwa bati apply ba question basole bayale bacondzise lilungelo labo. Siyakubonga lokho kakhulu bahlonishwa kuleyo guidance. Angisho ke ukuthi senithatha umsebenzi wami nangifaka leligama lekucondzisa ngisho nje from your side la nani nisebenzela ngakhona. Siyabonga kakhulu I guidance yenu staff seParliament nestaff lesisebenza nawe minister i-team yase finance noma mhlawumbe PBC siyabonga kakhulu kubambisana emsebenzini sibonga kakhulu bahlonishwa nekuphumelela nibe khona abahlonishwa kulomsebenzi wanamuhla bomfishane vele ngilokuthi nje yayiselele emuva le bill kanzi kufanele ihambe naleya lesasetshenzwa ngale so siyabonga kakhulu bahlonishwa ku dedicate kwenu ukuphumelela kudophasisa lo msebenzi lebesihlangene ngawo namuhla thank you very much ngicela kucela mhlonishwa DPM mhlonishwa Mafuthen.
Ngiyabonga mhlonishwa speaker ngiyaxolisa nje ukubambelela abahlonishwa soyivala mhlonishwa speaker ngisuma standing order 66 mhlonishwa speaker ngifuna nje clarity kuvakele ukuthi even gas utawukhuphuka ngemaphesenti lathi 10 kwavakala umhlonishwa Ndvunankhulu wakhipha athi utawuba nenkulumo etawuvela ukuthi kutawusetshenzwa njani indzaba yagesi sengithi ngiyabuka ke mhlonishwa speaker ngiyambona nangomhla ka1 wekucala ukuphakama kwetimali tagesi ukhulunywa nga 200 million angamboni lapha ku budget ukuthi angathi sidamthatha kuphi lo tawunikwe amagesi at the same time nanyalo emaswati akade ukuthi atawubhadala malini nangabe yakhuphuka lo gesi noma gesi angekakhuphuke sifuna nje ukuthola mhlonishwa speaker siyindlu sathi lamaswati lela sibuya khona sitawabikela kuthini ngoba phela kuthiwa gesi uyakhuphuka ngala kuthi utawusavela
mhlonishwa Mafuthen cha mhlonishwa imvamisa ema clarities leni yenwafune nisuke nifuna i-response from the speaker so kuphana ngabe sekuyinfo letawudzinga i-response from the executive kufuna kungene kube emotion noma kube i-question kungangeni as a clarity mhlonishwa ngicabanga ukuthi sengu-advise enough nje ukuthi ubone ukuthi what do you need to do after this mhlonishwa Mafuthen.
Ngiyabonga mhlonishwa speaker sengendiwa ukuthi naku mhlonishwa speaker mhla ka1 ula noma ngingayifaka emotion itawungena nini endlini mhlonishwa speaker ngilapho nje mhlonishwa speaker
honorable Mafuthen mhlonishwa akusho ukuthi nangabe ema data sadudane sekufuna sivumele ukuthi kungene emotion noma i-question ngendlela lengasiyo akusho kanjalo so ngikobe ngezama ukubonisa nje mhlonishwa kahle with due respect ukuthi cha ayingeni kanjalo emotion ayingeni kanjalo i-question so lena nje it cannot be a clarity mhlonishwa utawenda lo munye umsebenzi after sesivalele endle hloniphekile mhlonishwa DPM ngicela ukucela kokuthi ushukumise ukuthi le ndle hloniphekile isale iguca kulesikhathi sinedi.
Mr. Speaker, ngemvumo yakho nangemvume yendlu ngicela ukugucisa lendlu sinedi.
Sibonge mhlonishwa DPM bahlonishwa umhlonishwa soshukumisile ukuthi le ndle hloniphekile isale iguca sinedi labavumelana naloko abathi ayi labangavumi bathi nay the ayes have it and the ayes have it house stand adjourned. Let us bow bahlonishwa. Thank you.